If you are choosing a game engine because someone told you to, stop. In the next few minutes, I will tell you which engine actually fits you. There is no best game engine, there is only the right engine for your goals. Before choosing an engine, ask yourself just one thing. What kind of game do I actually want to make? 2D games, mobile games, realistic AAA style visuals, multiple chaos, because your engine choice should serve your game idea, not your ego. Unity, all-rounder. Unity is perfect if you are a beginner making 2D or mobile games or just want things to work fast. Downside, yeah, graphics won't blow your PC's mind by default. The community is huge. If you are stuck, someone on YouTube has already solved your problem, probably in 2017. If you want a balanced engine that's friendly to both beginners and your hardware, Unity is a solid place to start. Unreal, the powerful beast. Unreal Engine is like, you want realism? Say less. If you dream about cinematic visuals, realistic lighting, AAA style games, Unreal is insane. But yeah, that visual power comes at a price. Unreal is a bit heavier on your PC compared to most engines. If you are on a low-end system, you will feel it pretty quickly. Longer load times, fans going crazy, and you will end up tweaking settings just to keep things smooth. But if you have a decent or a high-end PC, Unreal feels really good to work with. You can actually see your game coming together visually, and it happens fast. And Blueprints, that's coding without feeling like coding. You can still choose to write code if you want. It's demanding but incredibly rewarding if you stick with it. Godot, the silent genius. Godot takes a different approach. It's a lightweight, open source engine designed to be simple and transparent. Even on older laptops or low-end PCs, Godot runs smoothly. It's especially strong for 2D games. The community is smaller and the 3D tools aren't as advanced as Unreal's, but for learning fundamentals, Godot does a great job. So when it comes to choosing a game engine, try not to think about which one is the best overall. If you want something balanced and beginner friendly, Unity is a safe and practical choice. If you are aiming for high-end visuals and don't mind a learning curve, Unreal can be incredibly rewarding. And if you want a lightweight, open setup that runs well on almost any system, Godot is a great option. The most important thing isn't the engine you choose, it's sticking with it long enough to actually finish something. Pick one, start small, and let the experience guide you forward. If this helped you decide, drop a like and let me know which engine you are starting with. I would love to hear that. Subscribe for Unreal Engine content, and if you would like to support the channel, you can join my Patreon. Link is in the description. Thanks for watching.